Today, we're breaking down Booksy's pricing in 2025 and answering the key question. Does this booking app live up to the hype? If you're in beauty, fitness, or wellness, pay close attention. Yes, Booksy offers a 14-day free trial with full access. No credit card required. But after that, it's not free anymore. Subscription begins. You get unlimited features during the trial so you can test everything risk-free. After the trial, the core plan costs around $29.99 per month for one-stop member or $32.01 including tax. Add $20 per month for each additional staff person. This includes unlimited bookings, client management services, staff scheduling and reports, marketing tools, booking tools, built-in payments, no-show protection, inventory management, and more. Vendors pay standard processing fees of 2.49% plus 10 cents up to 2.69% plus 30 cents depending on method. If you use Boost to promote your services in Booksy's marketplace, there's a 30% commission on first-time bookings. Do solo stylists or small studios get good value? Solo providers pay $30 per month for a full-featured platform. Great if you rely on online bookings and want marketing tools included. Group teams should budget extra for staff members unless you're using a team or fewer than 3. So, the pros of Booksy is it is an all-in-one system. It has transparent pricing with no hidden feature tiers, a 14-day free trial. The cons are higher cost per staff member, Boost commission can be steep, no truly free forever plan. So, is Booksy free? No, but it's fully featured. No feature holds held back and works best for those who need a powerful integrated system and are okay paying monthly. If you're a solo pro who wants everything in one app, it's worth it. But if you're a growing team, just forecast the extra monthly staff fees.